So in this video, we're going to talk about a fantastic technique known as EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. It's a healing technique. How can you use it for every kind of pain or problem that you want to heal, any situation, anything and everything under the sun. So you have a physical ailment, you're working, you have a headache, you feel feverish, you have a backache, you can't focus at work and you want it to get healed then and there without any medication. You can use this technique. You have anxiety attack, panic attack, you are stressed out, you're angry, whatever, you can use this. You want to manifest something, you can use this. You can do this SOS, which means when there's a problem per se. You can also do this on daily basis if you want. So it's a very, very ancient technique. It's not new, it's proven, and it is a combination. It's also EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. The full form is also known as tapping technique. Essentially, this technique uses a combination of many techniques. Yes, it's very simple, it's user friendly, you don't need any money to perform it on yourself. You do it on yourself, you can do it anywhere. It's a life skill. Once you learn it, it's a life skill. It stays with you for the rest of your life. There's no initiation that is needed. You're at work, you're traveling, on the flight, on the go to the washroom, do it, go to a cabin, do it. I've done it. You're on a date, there's a guy who's come to see you for marriage, you're nervous. I've done all these stuff. Okay, so it's a tapping technique. It uses acupressure. It is very user friendly, though it is so profound that from outside it is simple and inside it's so deep. It uses affirmations, it uses meridian tapping technique. The idea is that you press certain points on the face so that all the negativity and the toxins which are submitted here, which are deposited here by your touching yourself, again self-love, they'll get released and you will feel healed and benefited. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to define your problem statement. Let's say we're doing it right now. Be with me, watch it very carefully. Do not do it with me. The biggest mistake that people do is they start doing it or performing the technique along with me. No, just watch and learn. So let's identify a problem. Let's say that I feel stressed or anxious. I have an exam tomorrow. Let's say I'm a student. A lot of people call up. They are appearing for UPSC exams, or will I get a government job or not? Or will I have a okay surgery? Will I have a good delivery, comfortable? It could be anything. So let's define the problem statement. Let's say my problem statement is that tomorrow morning I have an examination and I'm really stressed about it. This is my problem statement. Now I have to define it. The way to measure anything is, the way to measure the performance or improvement or decline is to define a baseline. Like you use thermometer, by chance it's here, I didn't plan it, to measure your temperature. Similarly, on the scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, define your problem statement. So let's say right now it's 10, the highest. I feel so anxious that I have an examination tomorrow and I can't sleep. I feel giddy, insomnia, headache, everything attached with it, all sorts of emotions and feelings. So it's not only healing at the physical level, it is healing you at emotional and mental level also. So now next step is, first step is identify the problem statement. We did that. Second step is rate it on a rating scale of 1 to 10. We did that. Third is tapping points. I'm not coming to the fourth point yet, which is affirmation. I want to give this technique to you in bits and pieces for you to remember it and absorb it and not get hassled. Okay, so the tapping point would be, first point is on the hand and then rest of the points are on your face. So this is like judo, karate chop. So this is the point. Here you don't have to be gentle. Okay, you can do it 3-4 times. It's up to you. It should not be like this, caressing it with love. You should not hurt yourself also. So it's like this, karate chop. Then the next point number 2 is over your head, sahasra. Then all the other, so for the 2 points you've used the palm. All the other points followed by this, you will use just 2 fingers and be very gentle, because now you're dealing with your face. And the meridians here, the pressure points here are comparatively very gentle. Then two fingers tapping between your eyebrows, third eye, then end of the eyebrow, and you can do it any side. Okay, then under your eyebrow, then under here your nose, then chin, then here where the collarbone meets, and then underarm. This you've completed one cycle. Let's say you will do 3 or 4 cycles, and then of course there'll be a dialogue that you will speak, or affirmation. We'll come to that. You will do 3-4 cycles of this, and then again you will review the rating between 1 to 10, and you will see that from 10 you might have moved to 7 or a 8, and then again you do 3-4 cycle, and then take the rating, you will see, and then gradually it will come to 0. And if not 0 for everybody, 1 to 2. We've seen fever, we've seen back pain, lower back pain, or you're sitting stiff, and we've seen it disappearing like that. 10 cycles maybe. Okay, so now do it with me. This cycle, karate chop, then your crown, then between the brows, end of the brows, under your eye, very very gentle. Okay, then your below your nose, chin, where the collarbone meets here. Okay, and you don't have to pick up a measuring tape or scale or something. It's okay, you can feel your body, you're touching yourself. And then here, underarms. So one more time with me. Okay, so you've completed this. Brows, here, done. Okay, now what is the sentence or affirmation you say? Even though, then the problem statement, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. So even though the problem statement, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. So in the given scenario, my affirmation will be, even though I'm stressed out due to my examination tomorrow, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. And 2 things that I want you to understand here is, rather 3. Number 1, any language. You don't have to do it in English. You can use your local language, Telugu, Tamil, French, Arabic, Zulu, Sanskrit, any language. 1. Number 2, you can be very, very creative, and as long as the skeleton of the statement remains the same. The skeleton of the statement is, even though problem statement, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. You can work around or tweak around between the words in between. You will see how I will do it every time. I'll say, oh, I feel so stressed, I have anxiety, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. Even though I feel very, very anxious, I can't sleep, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. So you can be innovative and creative while designing your sentences. And the next point that I want you to know is that feel it when you say it. Okay, like people often laugh during my workshops. I always say, fake it till you make it. Okay, so the amount or the or the extent of benefit that you will get is directly proportional to how much you feel while doing it. Are you doing it robotically? Okay, Pooja ma'am has taught us this and that's it. Are you doing it too robotically, or are you invested in it? Are you connecting with it and feeling it from within while doing it? Please understand that all the diseases are psychosomatic in nature. Have you heard of this word, psychosomatic? So I have not done MBBS, I'm not a doctor, I've not done LLB, I'm not an advocate, I've not done a lot of courses, academically I'm not a scientist, but I know a bit of everything, and that's God's grace. So all the diseases are psychosomatic. So if you deal with it, emotionally and mentally, they get cured. Okay, we've had cysts and stones of people getting dissolved like this. Okay, and there are a lot of cases anyways. So in this case, I will now show you genuinely how the cycle will look like. Even though, so I'm at 8 right now in terms of my anxiety and anxiousness and feeling of overwhelmingness. Even though I have an examination tomorrow for which I haven't prepared a bit, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. Even though I have an exam tomorrow, I'm so damn anxious, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. Even though I feel scared, I'm so nervous right now that I would flunk in the test, I will not make it, I will fail, I still fully and unconditionally accept myself. I've already started the second cycle. Even though I'm in a mess right now, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. Even though I know I might not get a good grade tomorrow, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. Time to review the rating again between 1 to 10. I feel I've come to a 6 probably. So I will repeat the cycle even though I am overwhelmed right now due to my examination. I fully and unconditionally accept myself. Even though I'm in bits and pieces right now, I fully and unconditionally accept myself. I review, I do the cycles, let's say 3 cycle, 4 cycle, to each to his own. And then I say, oh, I've reached 3. If I'm comfortable being there, I close it. Otherwise, I continue till I come to 0 or 1. Let's say I've done it again and again and it's 1 and stuck up at 1 and not going. So be it. At least you've achieved something. From 10 you've come to 1. Don't be greedy, okay? So this is a technique, like I said, you can use SOS. Right now something happened, you do it, or everyday basis. Let's say if you get panic attacks or anxiety attacks, so doing it every day, you programming subconscious mind. So slowly it will move out of your aura, it will move out of your physical body, and you'll be healed. So this is EFT, emotional freedom technique. In the name itself, it's saying that you're getting freedom from your emotions, emotional freedom, and negative emotion. You're getting freedom from your negative emotions by tapping the meridians. Meridians are the end points, you see, every point, okay? And then tapping, which is acupressure, and then the affirmation, the law of attraction you're using through the statements that you're making. So my dear friend, this is wonderful EFT technique for you. Use it for your benefit and share it with your loved ones. Thank you so much.